Hey sugar babies, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in how I got this long, sleek, beautiful ponytail, please stay tuned.
This one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It did. This one thing you saw made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. Oh, I can't help it.
Okay, so we are going to be doing a ponytail install today with a ponytail that AZQueen sent to me. So thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I was going to do it on myself, but I felt like I could do it on someone else better and can show you better. So this is the hair how it comes. They send you bobby pins, a cute rubber band, and a sticker. So let's get started. This is the hair straight out of the package. I got mine in a brown tint to black, meaning it's basically just a dark brown color. This is a 28-inch ponytail, and this is synthetic. Now I'm just prepping her hair and parting the part where I want it to be. You can do a slick ponytail, you can do a high or low ponytail, it doesn't matter. I was using the super wet gel from Walmart. It's like 97 cents. You can use whatever kind you like. I just picked this one up because it's cheap and it's right there. So yeah. Okay guys, so now that her hair is in a ponytail, we're going to go ahead and add the hair on. As I'm showing you, it is very secure. It has a nice Velcro on it. It also has a comb that you stick down into your real hair. And then from there, you just take the hair that they have with the band and wrap it around as neatly as possible. You just want it to look really nice and clean and well put together. This is a very secure ponytail, which I'm very happy about. I think this is a great look for summer. I know some people don't like to do too much in the summertime with their hair over wigs or anything like that. They just want to let their hair breathe. So I think this is really cute and easy to turn to. I'm just going to finish up this look, and I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay sweet.